Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE RedMagic 10 Air, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're gonna open up our settings, and in here, just back up the main page, we're gonna scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then you wanna select Reset Options and erase all data factory reset. Give it a moment and this will show up with this list right here of data that will be removed by the process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and basically all user data. If you want, you obviously can back up some of the data that you want to keep. If you don't want to back up anything, you can select Erase All Data. Now if you have some kind of screen lock, you need to confirm it. And then we're going to select Erase All Data a second time. There we go. Which will begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take about, probably 2 minutes or so, give or take, to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.